Can Walmart's impact wrench stand up to their claims? We'll see in just a moment. I'm Tim Johnson. You're watching Shop Tool Reviews. This is the HART HPIW01 impact wrench, and it is their 20-volt, half-inch anvil, hog ring style impact wrench. Now, this is not a brushless tool. It is a brush tool, so you can kind of see the can motor in here. Not a big deal. Still going to provide plenty of torque. So you get a half-inch drive anvil, again, hog ring style. It's not a pin detent, so it's easily going to let those sockets go on there pretty easily, as well as hold them on where they're not going to fall off. You get an LED light at the base and pretty much a variable speed trigger and your selection for forward and reverse, and that's about it. No fancy buttons on here, no other type of power features, if you will, but quite frankly, it's kind of like how I like a fastening wrench or an impact wrench. Let my finger do the work, as long as I got a variable speed trigger, I'm good. So anyway, so you can find these at Walmart, and if you haven't tried the new HART tools, before you assume something, go put them in your hand, try them out, and see what you think. This is $119 for a bare tool. It's not exactly cheap. HART's got a lot of tools that are definitely on the value side. This is not exactly at the bottom of that scale, if you will, but still a decent price, 119 bucks. The 4 amp hour battery, which we did our testing with, that runs you about 88 bucks for the, I believe it comes with a battery and a charger. If you get the 2 amp hour, it's going to be about $54 if I'm not mistaken. So I would definitely recommend, if you're getting the impact wrench, I'd go with the 4 amp hour battery. It's just going to give you a lot more usage per charge, if you will. Give you a little bit bump in power, but probably really not that noticeable. But anyway, let's take this over to our test bench. Let's test this out and see if it lives up to the claims. Now, they're claiming 350 foot-pounds of force. Now, usually when these companies are talking about their impact wrenches, they talk about nut busting torque or loosening torque, or they talk about fastening torque. They really don't delineate either one on this. They just say up to 350 foot-pounds of torque, and then they mention that they used it on an 1.25 inch bolt or 1.25 inch nut. Now, we're definitely right at that 1.25 inch as far as the nuts concerned we're testing with, but we're going to test in both kind of nut busting mode as well as fastening mode as well. So let's get over there, take a look, see how it does, and then we'll come back and wrap this up. So this is the HART 20-volt impact wrench, and it is their half-inch drive impact wrench. I believe they have a 3/8 as well, but this is the half-inch drive impact, and it's supposed to have up to 350 foot-pounds of force. Now, they don't actually designate whether that's nut-busting torque or fastening torque. They just say up to 350 foot-pounds of torque. So we're going to test that. We're going to see how well it does. It's the HP1W01. Or actually, it's probably HPI for impact wrench. So HPIW01, again, it's the 20 volt. This is a brush tool. You can see in here and see the motor can kind of gives it away that it's a brush tool. You can also see that arc in there. Also gives it away it's a brush tool. But anyway, and really no need for a brushless tool necessarily in this situation. This is a good kind of middle ground impact wrench. It's not a high torque, if you will, that's delivering 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. But again, this is your $119 special from Walmart. We're using it, we're coupling it with the 4 amp hour battery. So what we're going to do here, you see we got a full battery, is we're going to first torque these bolts down, these nuts down to 250 foot-pounds, and then we're going to break them free and see how well the HART does that. I would anticipate that it does that just fine. Now, let's see what happens. So it broke those free, no problem at all, as we expected. And really and truly, you know, just a couple of them did it even take a couple of seconds to hammer those free. So very quickly broke those nuts free that have been torqued to 250 foot-pounds. So your typical lug nut's probably not going to have any problem on your light trucks and small cars and things like that. So did a good job with that. Now what we want to do is we're going to take this and try to calculate some fastening torque. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to set it on tighten. We're going to tighten each one of these nuts as hard as it'll tighten for 5 seconds. So once it starts impacting, once it starts hammering, we're going to let it hammer for 5 seconds, move to the next one, give it 5 seconds, and so forth. So let it hammer on 5 seconds for each one of them. Then we're going to use our electronic torque wrench to break them free to see how much force it takes to break them free. And then we have a factor that we divide by that should give us a good idea of what the fastening torque is on the HART impact wrench. So let's give it a try. Okay, so looking at the fastening mode, that's what we just looked at. So we basically let it hammer on each nut for at least 5 seconds. Then we used our torque wrench to break those free to get a measurement of how much force it took to break them free. But what we do know is to break a nut free takes less force than to tighten. That's why, again, you see a lot of marketing play when it comes to numbers on impact wrenches. And that's because of that. When someone says 350 foot-pounds of nut busting torque, which that's not what HART's saying, but anyway, when they say that, that's basically a number that if a nut is torqued to 350 foot-pounds, then the impact wrench is strong enough to break it free, which doesn't mean it has 350 foot-pounds of force. And all the testing we've done, we'll take a torque wrench and we'll do a control sample of tightening a nut to say 250 foot-pounds. We'll take the same torque wrench, break it free, and every time we do it, we fall in a window of say 80%. And that may vary like 4%, so we may have it as low as 76%, as high as 84%, but typically it takes about 80% of the force that it took to tighten it in order to loosen it. So a 250 foot-pound bolt with 200 foot-pounds of force will easily break free. So what we do is, after we hammered all those nuts tight with the HART impact wrench, and we did that for 5 seconds on each nut, then we took our torque wrench, and here's the readings we got. Now we got 227 foot-pounds, 197, 172, 184.9, 200.6, 230.0, 242.1, 197.3, 229.6, and 212.2 foot-pounds. Now basically, if you add all those up, divide by 10, you're going to get an average of 209 foot-pounds. Now, if then we take our factor of 80% and we divide by 0.8, then what we get is 271.8 foot-pounds. So that's what we're calculating, that what it's putting out as fastening torque is 271 foot-pounds. That's quite a bit short of that 350 foot-pound claim. Now, I will say that when we torqued these to 250 foot-pounds, it had no problem breaking those free. So I will venture to say that this is not going to have any issues with breaking free light trucks and typical car lug nuts, if that's what you're after. It's probably not going to have any problem breaking bolts and fasteners free on taking engines apart. Now, when you get to suspension bolts and things like that, a lot of times those can take a lot more force. That may be where you kind of run into the limits of this tool. But again, I don't think it's getting that 350 foot-pound range. At the same time, we're not using $10,000 equipment to measure the force, but I think we're getting a decent accuracy rating of kind of understanding where it falls, and I don't think it's reaching that 350 foot-pounds. At the same time as a $100 impact wrench, I still think it's a decent deal. I would like to know where they got their numbers from, and maybe we can find that out. But again, this tool comes with a 3-year warranty from Walmart, and you can find it at any Walmart you walk in. I think HART's doing a great job at making very good tools for that DIY sector, and what we always see is when there's a decent tool in the DIY sector, it crosses over into that entry-level pro, which by all means I'm all for. Let those early pros make a little money with their tools before they spend a lot of money on their tools. I always try to educate that. Go out and get whatever you can. I don't care if you got to go to the pawn shop. Get you some cheaper tools that are going to last you a little bit. Use them, make some money, buy whatever you want. I'm all for that. But anyway, this HART HPIW01, 119 bucks from Walmart, 3-year warranty on it. The battery, again, depending on whether you want the 2 amp hour or 4 amp hour, we outfitted ours with the 4 amp hour. It's going to run you about 88 bucks. So you're going to be in this for about $200 all in. But again, I think you're getting a decent, good impact wrench for that. Make sure you check it out at walmart.com. You can also check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. If you don't mind, hit that like and subscribe button if you like this video. Also hit the bell notification. That'll let you know when new videos are available. Have a great day and go out and do something nice for someone.